Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. Good time. Thank you. They killed somebody, the Zimbabwe security in Zimbabwe last week, and we are saying no violence and all the meetings which are happening in Zimbabwe and with SADC to stop the violence and to do free and fair elections. Yet people are being handed and being killed. This guy was just put a sack on his face and he suffocated. He was taken in front of his wife and other villagers. He cried for help and these people were holding guns. No help he could do. It can happen to any person. He had family, he had his wife and 4 children. And then later on he was just found buried behind his house after 4 days. So it's so painful. It's so painful. So painful. Zvinorwadza kuurairwa vanhu, zvinorwadza kutorwa, kungourayiwa hatisina kana zvataita, nokuti tiri kungoti hatisi kuda izvo, todawo imwe another system, utsinye. Hasina kana kuenda kuchikoro kana kudii. Zvakatoshata. Takukuurayira izvozvo. Saka chokwadi.